Hi guys, now we are going to solve this nice olympiad radical problem. The trick here is what we have to do is you just make the base same. How it is possible is, suppose you write this in terms of square of something, square root and the square get cancelled, then we will check whether the base is same or not. So here we do this problem now. Square root of 7 minus this 4 can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 4 times square root of 3 whole to the power x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Okay. Now, how you can write this to be? This is square root of, here square root of 4 is 2, and here you can, this is our A and this is our B, and we need here also A squared and B squared. So 7 can be written as here 4 and 3 is there. So you can write this to be 4 can be written as, 7 can be written as 4 plus 3. So you can write this 4 plus 3 minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 4 times square root of 3 whole to the power x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Now, we can write this to be square root of, here you have A is there and B and 2AB. Okay, A squared, this is A squared and this is B squared, and here this is A and B. So here you have a minus. So you can write this to be A minus BB whole squared. What is A? A is equal to square root of 4 minus B is equal to square root of 3, the whole squared, whole to the power x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Okay, so here we can, this square root and this square get cancelled. So left out term here is square root of 4 minus square root of 3 whole to the power x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Okay, so what is square root of 4? Square root of 4, you know that 2. So we have 2 minus root 3, here also 2 minus root 3. So we get the base same. So we have square root of 4 is, so we have a square root of 4 is 2, isn't it? So you can write this to be 2 minus root 3. Here we have this square root of 4 is 2 minus root 3 you have. The whole to the power, this time you have to write it. Whole to the power x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power, what is the power here? X plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Okay, this is our problem here, isn't it? Yes, x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. Now we get the base same. Okay, same base. So we can equate the powers. So we have x plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to x plus cubed root of 2x plus 4. So both sides you have positive x, these two terms get cancelled. So we have square root of x plus 2 is equal to cubed root of 2x plus 4. Okay, so when you're squaring on both sides, this square will be eliminated. Here you have a square, isn't it? So we have, or you can write this to be x plus 2 whole to the power half is equal to 2x plus 4 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now we can squaring on both sides. So you have x plus 2 whole to the power half times half. We are squaring on both sides. 2x plus 4 whole to the power. Now these two terms get cancelled. So you have x plus 2 is equal to 2x 2x plus 4 whole to the power 2 over 3. But here we had to eliminate this 3 also. So we had to cubing on both sides. So when you're cubing on both sides, you have x plus 2 whole to the power 3 is equal to 2x plus 4 whole to the power 2 by 3 times 3. We are cubing on both sides. These two terms get cancelled. So we have x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x plus 4 the whole square. We try to solve this problem. Okay, so here we had to apply the formula x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x plus 4 the whole square. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. This is the formula for a plus b the whole cube. And you know that a plus b the whole square formula is a plus b the whole square formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we are going to use these two formulas here. So we try to apply this. First we write this a cube. So a here is x and b here is 2. So we substitute here x cube plus 3 times a is equal to x. So x squared times b is equal to 2 plus 3 times a is x, b is 2. So 2 squared we had to write it, and plus 2 squared plus b here is 2 cube is equal to here you had to apply a plus b the whole square formula 2x the whole squared plus 2 times 2x times 4 plus 4 squared. So we have x cube plus 6x squared plus here we have 4 and plus 3. So sorry, 4 times 3 is 12x plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to 4x squared plus here you have 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16x plus 16. So we have x cube plus 6x squared. We take this 4x squared this side minus 4x squared, and next we have a plus 12x, and we take this a minus 16x this side, plus 16 comes this side, it becomes minus 16 plus 8, and here you have minus 16 is equal to 0. So x cube plus here we have a plus 6x squared minus 4x squared is plus 2x squared, and plus 12x minus 16x it becomes minus 4x, and here you have plus 8 minus 16 is minus 8 is equal to 0. So we had to solve this again. Put x is equal to 1 here. Trial and error method, we find one solution. So x is equal to 1 if you put 1 plus 2 minus 4 minus 8, which is not equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1, you have minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 minus 8, which is also not equal to 0. Here when you're substituting x is equal to 2, next number is x is equal to 2. So you have 8, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 times 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 8. So this is also 4 times 2 is 8. So plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. This get cancelled, which is equal to 0. So if we say that x is equal to 2 is 1 root. So here using L division we find another roots. Here x cube term you have to write x cube term, and x squared term, x term, and constant term you have to write it. So here 1 and 2, x squared term is 2, and coefficient of x is minus 4, and constant here is minus 8. So you have to start with 0, and we find already x is equal to 2 is 1 root, and add these two numbers, 1 plus 0 is 1, and you have to multiply this and write it here. 2 times 1 is 2. So here you have to add it 4. and 2 times 4 is 8. Write it here. You have to add these two, but here 8 minus 4 you have plus 4, and 2 times 4 you have to multiply this and write it here. Minus 8 plus 8, it becomes 0. So we have here the cube term is reduced to square term now. So x squared, here you have a plus 4. This is x and this is constant. Plus 4 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. We already have x is equal to 2 is 1 root. And how will you write this? This is equal to x plus 2 the whole square, isn't it? X squared plus 2ab is 4x plus 2 squared is 4. So is equal to 0. Or you have x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 comma x is equal to minus 2. So our solution is, here we got the solution, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to, we'll check our answer. Square root of 7 minus 4 root 3 whole to the power x is equal to 2, we substitute. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3, 2 plus cubed root of 2 times 2 plus 4. So which is equal to, we already simplified this as 2 root 3. Okay, we write 2 root 3. 2 plus square, here you have 2 plus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3 whole to the power 2 plus, here you have 4 plus 4 is 8, cubed root of 8 is 2. So we get the answer. So the x is equal to 2 is one solution. And what happens if x is equal to minus 2? Here also we have square root of 7 minus 4 root 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus square root of minus 2 plus 2, that becomes 0, is equal to 2 minus root 3 square minus 2 plus cubed root of, here also minus 4 plus 4, isn't it? This is also 0. So which is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 whole to the power minus 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3 whole to the power minus 2. So both are the solutions for this problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.